have run an operation recently which has allowed to hundreds of arrests that has brought people in that are breaking our laws. Through that partnership, 223 illegal aliens have been arrested and taken off of our roads. Of those, 146 of them were drivers. That includes 46 semi-truck drivers.
146 illegal migrants, aliens, had driver's license. I think she said 46 had CDL license. If you support this nonsense, these trucks are, have you ever been on a highway where you're driving and one of these tractor trailers, they pass you and you're hoping like, I hope he's not